It is my good pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yaku, and in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to connect your Instagram to Facebook. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you're very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorials about Facebook and Instagram tricks. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to connect Instagram to your Facebook account. A very easy step-by-step tutorial. Okay, so the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you open up your Facebook account. So I'm going to click on here. Then having opened up your Facebook account, next thing you want to do is to click on your profile icon. Then you have to scroll down, click on edit public details. Then take you to this particular point. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down, and under the links right here, make sure you click on add. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on add social link. Then click on select a service. So we have to make sure we select Instagram. Then you have to make sure you enter your Instagram account name right here. So I have to exit from Facebook right here. Then I'll head over to my Instagram account. So I'm going to click on my Instagram. So for me to get my Instagram name, I have to click on this profile picture. Then I'll click on edit profile. I will make sure I copy this username. So that is my Instagram name. So I'll make sure I click and hold down just to select everything. Then I'll make sure I click on copy. Then I have to exit from Instagram right here. I'll come back to my Facebook account. I'll click and hold down. I'll paste it here. So you can see Instagram has been fully embedded. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on save at the top right here. Successfully saved. So this is how to link your Instagram to Facebook in a very easy step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.